Welcome to our milling products. Here I'm going to demonstrate how to produce a chamfer. Now why is that? Because chamfering is a lot easier in this version than it has been in the past. We've created a CAD cycle. So we're going to put a 45-degree chamfer along the outside of the part, maybe 50 thousandths deep. Then we're just going to break the edge on the inside of our pockets by about 20 thousandths. So we'll go to machining and we'll see what we have so far. As you can see, there are only vertical walls. So we're going to go to automation and select chamfer. Change things up a little bit. We'll leave the diameter of the feeds and speed alone. Chamfer size is 50 thousandths. Z-step of 0 gives us 1 pass. Chamfer angle can be of any value. The tool type, if you use a flat, you're going to have some pretty jagged edges along the wall. Ball or bullnose tool will be more practical. And in the Z-step, you're going to put in like a 1/10 so you minimize the scallop heights as best as possible. Left for climb mill, right for convention. Automatic lead in and lead out. You can always change those values under advanced. Now the type, positive or negative, we're going to reference our graphics. As you can see here, we want the outer wall, so we have to change it up to negative. And this is the condition we have. If you have a solid model, you can extract those curves automatically. Now for the inside pockets. What we'll do is we'll make the pockets our active curve. So when I go to make the chamfer, it knows to use the last curve or active curve selected. Again, if we look at our graphics, what we have is the curve is on the inside of the wall. So we need this area in here, change it to negative, and this is along the vertical wall. And that's how we produce chamfers in CAD-CAM using our new CAD cycle. Thank you for watching.